Okay, so here we are from a little ride on the weekend, as I'm calling Lantanaville. It seems like everywhere that we ride lately has been completely overgrown as Lantana. But anyway, first proper ride out on the EC250, which is a bit of fun. I say proper ride because I have ridden it, but this is the first time with like hills, logs, all sorts of stuff for a good day of riding. There was about 11 of us and it was pretty bloody hot. It started off in the morning, not too bad, but by lunchtime we're up to about 30 degrees and high humidity. At the start here I was sweep. I'm splitting this video into two parts. So the first part here is my helmet cam footage, and around midday I swapped out to the chest cam because that allows me to charge the battery on the GoPro. EC250 is running nice, I'm pretty happy with it. And the fuel injection TSP kit seems really good, nice and smooth, good power down low, comes on nice and controllable, and it's a pretty good bike all round. So yeah, pretty happy with that. Does lack a little bit of the torque that the 300 has, but yeah, it's kind of hard to say because I haven't ridden the 250 without the TSP head and injector relocate, so I don't know what they're like stock. But yeah, this one's definitely pretty fun to ride. Okay, here's the video.